Welcome to the master plan community of Las Sendas in Mesa, Arizona. Hi, I'm Michelle Wells Cross, and I had a big plan to tell you all about this home. 2 acres, 7,500 square feet, separate guest house, 5 ensuite guest rooms, 3 living rooms, resort-style backyard. I was going to tell you all that, but this home speaks for itself. Look at this view. Follow me, and I'll show you around. As you can see, this home has it all, everything except you. So give me a call, Michelle Wells Cross, at 480-748-7887 so I can show you around.